We'll guide you through how to use multiple accounts in Zen Browser App. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users want to separate personal and work accounts. Start by looking at your computer's main desktop screen and locate the Zen Browser shortcut icon. Once you find it, place your mouse cursor directly over the icon and double-click the left mouse button to open the browser. You can also select the icon and press the Enter key on your keyboard if you prefer. After doing this, the main Zen browser window will appear on your screen. Wait a few moments while the browser finishes loading completely. When the browser is ready, look toward the left side of the screen and hover your mouse over the sidebar area. Find the option labeled New Tab and press it to open a new tab page inside the browser. A pop-up with a search bar will appear on the screen. Click the search bar, type google.com, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to open the Google website. Wait again for the page to finish loading fully before continuing to the next step. Once the page is loaded, move your attention toward the top right side of the browser window. There, you will see the profile picture or account icon of the Google account currently signed into the browser. Click the profile picture to open the account menu. After the menu appears, scroll downward carefully until you find the option called Show More Accounts, then click it. Another drop-down section will appear with additional account options. Scroll downward again inside this section and look for the Add More Account option. Press the option to continue. After selecting it, a Google sign-in page will appear on the screen asking for your email address. Type your Google email address into the provided field carefully and correctly. When you finish typing the email, press the Next button located below the email field. After pressing Next, the page will ask for your password. Enter the password for the Google account you want to add, then press the Next button once again. After the sign-in process finishes, your additional Google account will be successfully added and ready to use inside Zen Browser for switching between multiple accounts easily during browsing sessions online.